this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your Android phone photos from your Honor phone to a USB drive. So I just have this small little OTG adapter that's going to take a USB-C and turn it into USB. So I got this with my Samsung phone, but I can just plug in my USB drive just like this, and then plug this into the bottom of my phone. So let's just do this now. I'm going to unlock it. Right where it charges, just plug it in. Now with plugged in, we want to locate files. So just go to search right here or swipe up from the bottom and locate files by typing it in. Files. So let's do this correctly now. And then here's files right here. Now when you open up files, you should be able to find it right at the bottom. So let's go to files right here. Could be under like recents or something like that, or browse. Probably under browse. So just go on down to local storage right here. And then find your phone internal storage. And here's my USB drive. Click it. And it'll probably be under like DCIM is going to be where your pictures are. Or it could be under pictures. So here's DCIM. So here's camera. It looks like there's 111 pictures or something in here. So we can go to the entire folder and hold down on it and go to more and go to move to. And we should have the option to move this to the USB drive. So you can see move right there. So let me just do one photo instead of the entire folder. So here's one video, it looks like. Go to move. Now I can choose my my location under here. So I can go back to browse. And then I have my USB drive. Then here's my USB drives and all the different folders. I can go to just a location on here or create another folder. There's an option to create a folder right there. But I'm going to put this into the DCIM folder. Or movies. Let's put it into movies. And then click the little check mark. And now I have this little video on here. So we can go back to browse, and then you can go to USB and you can see everything on your USB drive. So very easy to do. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.